How to make money on YouTube. Join the YouTube partner program first of all. Second, sell products or merchandise. Third, crowdfund your next creative project. Fourth, let your audience support you through fan funding. 5. License your content to the media. 6. Work with brands as an influencer. 7. Become an affiliate marketer. Let's take a deeper look at each of these income streams. First, join the YouTube Partner Program. The first revenue stream you shall likely explore is ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a vital step. You shall have to agree to follow all of YouTube monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you have hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours over the past year, 12 months. Here's how to enable monetization on YouTube. First of all, these videos duration these videos duration 8 minute plus. Okay, 8 minute plus. One, sign in to the YouTube account you want to monetize. Second, click the icon for your account in the top right corner. Click YouTube Studio for in the left menu. Select other features monetization. Fifth, read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms and eligibility requirements. 6. Create a new Google AdSense account or connect an existing one to your channel. You need an AdSense account to get paid. Set your monetization preferences. Once that's done, head back to the dashboard and click the Analytics tab on the left side. From there, you shall need to choose revenue from the tabs at the top. Then scroll down to the chart monthly estimated revenue to get an idea of your predicted YouTube revenue. What is YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a paid membership program that lets fans watch and support their favorite content creators without ads. For creators, not much changes as they will get paid for content consumed by non-members on YouTube, along with content on YouTube Premium. Creators are paid for YouTube Premium based on how much members watch their content. Consider revenue earned from YouTube Premium subscribers as a secondary revenue stream in addition to what you are already earning through ads. While it's easy to set up, earning money through advertising as a YouTube partner program is far from the most lucrative revenue stream you can create for yourself. Why should you should look beyond ads for it? YouTube recently received a lot of backlash due to its decision to be more transparent about advertising on the platform and what qualifies as advertiser friendly content. Essentially, Essentially, many YouTube creators feared that due to the nature of their content, they would lose out on the advertising revenue that helps support their channel. According to YouTube, your content could get excluded from an ad revenue if it includes sexually suggestive content, including partial nudity and sexual humor. Violence, including display of serious injuries and events related to violent extremism, inappropriate, inappropriate, inappropriate language, including harassment, profanity, and vulgar language, promotion of drugs and regulated substances, including selling, use, and abuse of such items, controversial or sensitive subjects and events, including subjects related to war, political conflicts, natural disasters, and tragedies, even if graphic imagery is not shown. But the reality is that YouTube has been demonetizing content that it does not deem advertiser friendly since 2012 via an automated process without warning and without the content creator knowledge. Now, the situation is actually better as creators are notified when their content is flagged and can contest any time they feel a video was mistakenly excluded from YouTube advertising network. Advertising may be a common means of generating passive income for creators, but the trade-off is that YouTube parent company Google gets to keep around a 45% share of ad revenue. In short, YouTubers should explore other revenue streams to sustain their creative hobby. Below, we shall share how to earn money from YouTube without ads. This video after 5 minutes, 6 minutes,